2016 Hyundai Genesis 3.8 liter, the ultimate package. Harbor gray metallic paint, aluminum alloy wheels with good new set of necks and tires, tinted windows, the dual chrome tip exhaust, cargo mat, black leather interior with retractable rear shades, wood grain trim throughout, premium Lexicon audio system with sub, power windows, locks and mirrors, memory driver's seat, blind spot, heated and cooled front seats, CD player, 390-day trial, Sirius XM satellite radio, navigation, backup camera, steering wheel controls, auto headlights, fog lights, just over 173,000 miles. It's got that panoramic roof. Come on and see us. Hey, you cars.